Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by reproducing the error and observing console output carefully. Note the exact failure message and error code number. Check if you are running on a simulator or on a physical device when the failure occurs. Inspect your app entitlements for keychain access and confirm the access group string matches COM. Example: app or your app group. Open info. List and environment variables to ensure no keys are being overwritten at runtime. Finally, confirm the keychain item was actually saved before attempting get operations. Write a clear retrieval function that builds a query dictionary for keychain access. Include ksec class generic password, ksec attr service with your service string, and ksec return data as true. Add ksec attr access group when you share data between apps, for example COM. Example: app. Call sec item copy matching and check the OS status return value for AirSec success. If the function returns AirSec item not found, handle that path gracefully and fall back to prompt or network fetch. Always convert data to strings safely before use. Create tests that run on an actual device, not only on the simulator. Ensure your CI environment uses proper provisioning profiles and keychain access entitlements. Validate that saved items persist across app launches and device restarts. Enforce secret rotation on a schedule, for example every 90 days, and implement 3 retries with exponential backoff when fetching keys. Use 2040 8-bit RSA keys or equivalent for asymmetric needs, and keep symmetric secrets inside keychain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.